Hey guys, to convert Bitcoin to USDT on Kraken, here's what you're gonna do. Hit trade at the bottom right, the purple button. And you're gonna see buy, sell, perps, convert. We're gonna exchange one asset for another. Okay. And I'm gonna convert now Bitcoin to USDT. So instead of cash, right, or USD, I'm gonna select and change it to USDT or Tether. Okay, and enter the amount percentage wise, or if you feeling rich, you can select 1 Bitcoin or 2 Bitcoin, right? If you have like big chunk of assets and you want to convert it. So I wanted to convert 25% of my assets. Hit continue. You're gonna see the amount, rate, and Kraken fee, and I'm gonna receive 11.8246. Okay, and then hit confirm, and basically that's it. Now you converted one exchange or one asset to another. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.